Ever feel like your phone could be faster? What if I told you there are hidden settings in your smartphone that can unlock its full potential? In today's video, I'm going to show you how to enable developer options and tweak a few settings that can dramatically improve your phone's speed and responsiveness. First things first, we need to unlock developer options. It's super easy. Just head over to your phone settings, scroll all the way down to About Phone, and tap build number about 7 times. You'll get a little message that says you are now a developer. Don't worry, this doesn't require any coding knowledge. It just unlocks advanced settings we can play around with. The first trick is reducing your phone's animation scale. This is one of the easiest and most effective tweaks to speed up your phone. Go into developer options and look for the following settings. They are usually set at 1x by default. Now change them all to 0.5. This will make all the animations on your phone twice as fast, which gives your device a snappier feel without using extra processing power. And just like that, your phone will feel faster. You'll notice the difference immediately. Next up, let's increase the logger buffer size. This is especially useful if you're doing tasks that involve a lot of data logging, like gaming or running intensive apps. By default, the buffer size is set pretty low, but we're going to bump it up to 8M. This tweak allows your phone to handle more data at once without slowing down, especially during heavy usage. The final trick is increasing the per CPU buffer size and system tracing. Now this one sounds a bit technical, but it's another great way to boost performance, especially if you're running multiple apps or using intensive apps. Set the per CPU buffer size to 65536 KB if it's not already. This gives your phone more breathing room, especially when it comes to managing background tasks and apps. And that's it. 3 simple tweaks to unlock your phone's hidden potential. No rooting required. You'll definitely notice a speed boost in day-to-day tasks. Let me know in the comments if you tried these out. And feel free to share any other cool developer option tricks you know. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to hit the like button and subscribe for more tech tips and tricks. As always, stay connected, stay active, and make every moment count. I'll see you soon.